So, how do I keep my potato plants pest free? Well, as you can see, they are clear of pest damage, and that is because of these. Planting garlic near my potatoes. I even have these onions in here at the moment, but that wasn't even planned. But planting this garlic around this bed, holy cow, it has made all the difference. Last year my potato plants were, swarming. Every time you come out here you find a bug. Now I don't even hardly see bugs. You see itty bitty, like right there, you might see a bite here and there, but these things aren't touched. They are beautiful. The storm is about the only thing that's touched them this season. But yeah, that garlic around this bed, it has made a world of difference. It's completely pest free. I think those onions helped a lot too. But yeah, garlic and onions, man, definitely the answer for the pest problems. Wow.